Hello students, in our previous geometry period, we have started first chapter basic concepts in geometry, and in previous period we have studied about coordinates of points and distance. Now in this period we are going to study the concept of betweenness. Now see here, if P, Q, R are three distinct collinear points, there are three possibilities. Now in betweenness, regarding about three collinear points, there are three possibilities. Collinear points means the points which lie on one line. Now we'll see all three possibilities one by one. Now possibility first. In this possibility, point Q is between P and R. Now we can say that here distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. And if such situation is there, distance of PQ plus distance of QR is equal to distance of PR, then we say that point Q is between P and R. That means if distance of PQ plus distance of QR is equal to distance of PR, then it is said that point Q is in between P and R. And this betweenness can be shown by the symbol P dash Q dash R. That means point Q is in between point P and R. Now possibility 2. Point R is between P and Q. That means distance of PR plus distance of RQ is equal to distance of PQ. And you can write that relation like this. Distance of PR plus distance of RQ is equal to distance of PQ. And this betweenness can be shown by the symbol T dash R dash Q. This is second possibility. Now what will be the third possibility? In first possibility, point Q is in between P and R. In second possibility, point R is between P and Q. So what will be the third possibility? Now in possibility 3, point P is between R and Q. So here this relation can be written like this: distance of RP plus distance of PQ is equal to distance of RQ. Distance of RP plus distance of PQ is equal to distance of RQ. And this possibility can be written like this: R dash P dash Q. This means point P is between point R and Q. For any three collinear distinct point, these three possibilities are there. Now we will solve examples on this topic. Now practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Find the distances with the help of the number line given below. This is the number line given below, and some points and their coordinates are given on this number line, and using these coordinates we have to find the distances given below. Now first, in this question number 1 there are so many examples. First we will take first example. Distance of B. Now to find the distance of B, that means distance between points B and E. So first we have to find out the coordinates of these 2 points, and these coordinates are given on this number line. So coordinate of B is 2. And that of E, coordinate of E is 5. And you know that we have studied in previous period how to find the distance between 2 points when coordinates are given. The distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Now here, which is smaller coordinate and which is larger coordinate? Here 2 is smaller coordinate and 5 is larger coordinate. Therefore here 5 is greater than 2. So therefore distance of B is equal to larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Larger coordinate is 5 minus smaller coordinate is 2. 5 minus 2, 3. The answer is 3. Therefore, the distance of B is equal to 3 units. Now example 2. Distance of JA. Now we have to find the distance of JA. First, find out the coordinates of points J and A. Now here is point J. The coordinate of point J is minus 2 and coordinate of point A is 1. So coordinate of point J is minus 2 and that of point A is 1. So here which coordinate is larger and which is smaller? So here minus 2 is smaller coordinate and plus 1 is larger coordinate. Therefore, here 1 is greater than minus 2. Therefore, distance of JA is equal to larger coordinate 1 minus smaller coordinate minus 2. That means 1 minus minus 2. So if we remove this bracket, here minus into minus, we get plus. So here we get 1 plus 2. After removing bracket, we get plus 2. And 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So distance of JA is 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Now, example 4. The third example, you solve yourself. We will take now fourth example, distance of JH. Now here, coordinate of J is minus 2 and coordinate of H is minus 1. Minus 1. Now, if you compare minus 2 and minus 1, which is larger, which is smaller? So here minus 1 is greater than minus 2. So subtract to get the distance between points J and H. Subtract smaller coordinate from larger coordinate. Therefore, distance of JH is equal to minus 1 minus 2. Smaller coordinate larger coordinate minus 1 minus smaller coordinate minus 2. That means minus 1 minus into bracket minus. If you remove this bracket, we get minus 1 plus 2. Minus into minus, it becomes plus. And minus 1 plus 2 means 2 minus 1. So we get 1. So distance of JH is equal to 1 unit. JH 1 unit. Question number 2. If coordinates of A, if the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find distance of AB. Now in example first, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. This x means coordinate of A. The value of y means coordinate of B. Now in this example, coordinate of A is x and x is equal to 1. And coordinate of B is y and the value of y is 7. Now here 7 is the larger coordinate, 1 is the smaller coordinate. So distance of AB is equal to larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate is equal to 6. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6 units. Now, in this question number 2, example 2 and 3, you try to solve yourself. Now, we will solve example 4. Example 4, x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 5. That means x is equal to minus 4, this is the coordinate of A. And y is equal to minus 5 is the coordinate of B. Coordinate of B is equal to minus 5. Now, minus 4 minus 5, which is the larger coordinate and which is the smaller. Now see here, minus 4 is greater than minus 5. So we have to subtract minus 5 from minus 4. So distance of AB is equal to minus 4 minus in the bracket minus 5. Now if you remove this bracket, we get minus 4. After removing, minus into minus becomes plus 5. Therefore 5 minus 4 we get 1. So distance of AB is 1 unit. So students, in next period we will solve some more examples.